I want to solve for x. So we have 3x e to negative x plus x squared e to negative x equals 0. Notice they both have a factor of e to the negative x, so I can factor that outside. And what I'm left with inside is 3x plus x squared equals 0. I'm going to set each factor equal to 0. Note here, e to the negative x looks something like this. It never reaches 0. It gets closer and closer to 0, but it never equals 0. So this one has no solution. So now we have to solve this one. And note that I can factor out an x from both of these and have 3 plus x equal to 0. So I set each factor equal to 0. And I get x equals 0 and x equals negative 3. And that is my answer. Okay. Next question, we have x squared times e to the x minus 5x times e to the x equals 0. So here I have a factor of x e to the x I could pull out. And then how do I get to x squared e to the x? Well, I need to multiply by x. And then for the second one, I need to multiply by negative 5. Setting both of these equal to 0. Note, e to the x is never equal to 0, so I can divide both sides by e to the x and get x equals 0. And here I add 5 to both sides, so I get x equals 0 and x equals 5. And last one, we have 5 cubed equals x plus 2 quantity cubed. Because they have a cube here, I can cube root both sides, and the cube is going to drop. So we have 5 equals x plus 2, and so x is equal to 3.